Hey, I am AI Era. Want glowing, smooth, and younger looking skin using just a few ingredients from your kitchen? Forget expensive serums. In just 3 minutes, I'll show you how to make a 100% natural, super effective rice serum. It's hydrating, anti-aging, and gives you a radiant glow, all with zero chemicals. So stay with me till the end, because this one's a game changer.
Let's start with our hero ingredient, rice. Rice water is packed with vitamin B, amino acids, and antioxidants, making it one of the best natural remedies for bright, glowing skin. It helps tighten your pores, reduces fine lines and wrinkles, soothes irritated or sun-damaged skin, and adds a natural, dewy glow. Korean beauty experts have used it for centuries, and now you can too. Let's make it. Take half a cup of rice and rinse it well. Boil it in 2 cups of water for 10 to 15 minutes. Once boiled, strain it and let the rice water cool down. Now add 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. Aloe vera is deeply hydrating, calms inflammation, and heals your skin barrier. Perfect for dry or sensitive skin.
Next, add 1 tablespoon of olive oil, rich in vitamin A and E. It helps moisturize, repair skin, and improve elasticity. Finally, squeeze in 2 vitamin E capsules. They fight free radicals, brighten your skin, and reduce dark spots. Mix everything well into a silky, smooth serum. Store your serum in a clean bottle and keep it in the refrigerator. It stays fresh for up to 7 days. Use it every night before bed on clean skin, and you'll wake up with soft, glowing, healthy skin. Try this DIY serum and let me know your results in the comments. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more glow up tips.